So you have opened multiple YouTube channels and now you are struggling to grow them. You don't get enough time to work on them all, and the other videos you have been watching tell you only the technicalities of managing multiple channels, but they do not tell you the strategy that how you can actually manage them all at once efficiently. So this leads us to this video, and in this video I'll tell you a very easy way to manage multiple channels at once. For that purpose, you have to first of all open up your Instagram account. Why Instagram, you'll just get to know in a minute. And after that, you have to tap on the search button available next to your profile picture available at the bottom right corner of the screen, and tap in the search bar and search here how to official 0 and hit the search button. And if you have written the right spellings, then this Instagram account will appear up. So you have to tap on it, and next you have to tap on this message button available on this profile. Next you have to write a message here that I'm writing, so be careful. So you have to write here, I want my multiple YouTube channels to be managed, and simply send this message. This is my Instagram account, and as I am already a YouTuber who is managing multiple YouTube channels all at once, and I'm ready to do it for you too. Basically, you can hire me as your YouTube channel manager. All of your content will be posted on time as per your schedule, so you'll have a lot of free time to simply create the content and do not waste your time for uploading and managing it all. And if you think I'm just a scam or I'm just lying, let me show you some proofs. Here's a client. I had provided my other services to her, and you can see that she is satisfied. And as this message is from 2023, it means I have been providing my services from a very long time. And here's another one. You can see that he's also saying a thanks to me after providing my services. And after that, he had sent me a payment. And my inbox is full of all the people who needed some kind of services, and I have successfully provided them. You too will gain trust on me when you'll message me on my Instagram account. This is the only way, otherwise only one of your channel will survive and the others will simply die because of the lack of time that you are spending on it. So I'll be waiting for you on my Instagram account. Thank you so much.